YIAGA Africa, a non-governmental organization in election monitoring and governance, has urged the Lagos State Independent Electoral Commission to be transparent and accountable to citizens in gaining their confidence during the conduct of the local government election. The Commission has also promised that the vote of the people will count. TVC News correspondent Ademola Lawrence reports.
Residents of Lagos will go to the polls to vote for those that will run the affairs of the 20 local governments and 37 local council development areas of the state. The council election will hold in 13,323 polling units with over 6 million registered voters and 15 political parties participating in the polls. The Youth Initiative for Advocacy, Growth and Advancement is calling on the Lagos State Independent Electoral Commission to provide the people a reason to give the country's electoral process a chance.
LGA and council elections slated for July 24th, 2021 is another opportunity for election stakeholders, especially the election management body, the security, and indeed citizens, to change the negative narrative that has obscured these elections in recent times.
The group is also concerned about the insecurity during the polls, which play out at the primaries of different political parties as a result of intra- and inter-party conflict. YIAGA Africa also called on the contesting political parties to abide by the rules governing the election.
YIAGA Africa calls on all contesting political parties to abide by the rules governing the conduct of the LGA elections. Parties should admonish their supporters to refrain from acts that could jeopardize the process or destabilize public peace.
The group also made a case for political inclusion for women, youth, and persons with disabilities.
We don't want it to be business as usual, and that's why civil society observers are here. It's important for us to bring out some of the issues that we are seeing so that we can use this as part of what we can use to develop the election processes in Nigeria.
Meanwhile, at a separate press conference, the Lagos State Independent Electoral Commission have said that the result of elections will be transmitted electronically to the Commission website.
As to uploading of results, we're going to upload into a cloud, as same thing as INEC does. Our websites should really reflect the results. We're having a bit of a problem now with uploading, but they're still battling with it. And hopefully the results will be reflected on our website. Hopefully, but we're still working on that as at now.
The chairman of the commission also assured Lagos residents of a free, fair and credible election, and that with the NCDC and Lagos State government and other relevant health authorities, COVID-19 protocols will be strictly enforced at the polling units and collation centers.
The commission shall strictly enforce at the polling units and centers the use of face masks and observance of social distancing, while the Commission shall ensure the provision of infrared thermometers, alcohol-based hand sanitizers, and the disinfectant of chairs and tables and work areas for the safety of the voters and the electoral officials.
For many years, voters should come out en masse knowing that their vote will be counted. Ademola Lawrence, TVC News, Lagos.